Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a boot review and unboxing of the CROCS ECHO BOOT. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got to look at the CROCS ECHO BOOT. We got this in the dusty olive colorway. We got this in the European 42 to 43. It's a US men's 9 and it's a UK men's 8. So this is essentially the boot version of the ECHO clog. Right there for you. I mean, it kind of isn't. We'll get into the detailing in a moment. But essentially, it uses the same name. I wouldn't say it's the same shape because of the clog itself, because the clog obviously doesn't have the rubber traction. We'll get into all the details soon, but what I do want to mention is that if you are wondering about the normal CROCS ECHO clog, check out our review. It's a really good one if I do say so myself. And if anyone from CROCS is watching, and we know that you are, we do love our CROCS here at Oneupreviewz, so chuck your boys a pair of CROCS. We're always welcome to do some reviews. So let's look at the details of this ECHO boot. So we'll look at the outsole. So this outsole, well, it's more or less dominated by this rubber traction here. It's in the gum sole colorway, so it's very reminiscent of your Adidas, not Adidas, your Reebok gum classic soles. They're beautiful as well. What's exposed is the cross light, so that is CROCS's foam essentially. So the majority of the foundation of this boot is made out of the CROCS's foam, and you can see it there as well. So if we move it onto the midsole unit, it's essentially one whole unit. But what the upper has, what makes it the boot, obviously, is this puffy boot sock liner. Well, it's not a sock liner, it's a booty system essentially. So it's nice padded, all synthetic materials. Look at the upper, it's just kind of like a duck boot. If you remember, guys, if you guys know what a duck boot is, it reminds me of that, but kind of in the reverse. So what I mean by that is where you've got the rubber of the duck boot protecting the whole toe, it's kind of slanted down, and this is like the foam, and then you got the booty upper. So I hope that makes sense. But essentially, this is a boot. It isn't a clog. This is the boot, and it's going to keep you nice and insulated, nice and warm, because you've got a lot of down that's in the puffer right there for you. You've got rope laces as well, and a little toggle just to adjust the fit. It's all obviously kind of like this booty system is stitched onto the foundation of the shoe, and it is fleece lined as well. It's all synthetic materials as well, guys. Look at there, you kind of see the fleece inside to keep your feet nice and warm. And it's got more traction, so it's kind of reminiscent of like the Slade Banbury CROCS that we've done reviews in tons in the past before. So check that out if you get the opportunity. With the extended rubber, so that's there for your traction, because this is kind of intended as a snow boot or a boot just in general with more traction, and you got that added warmth. And these look really cool, if I say so myself. If you look at the front here, we'll just look at the little details to finish this off. So you've got the CROCS lettering here, aglets on the laces, a nice pull tab there to help you get your feet in, and then you got your CROCS logo on the lateral side there for you too. All that talking just makes me want to put these on my feet, so roll out footage of me trying these ECHO boots on for you. That's alright. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Crocs fit. For me, I do get a UK size 8 when it comes to Crocs. My toes are actually where they need to be, and because of the lining, that it's got a fleece lining, if you missed that in the detailed review, but it does make up for a bit of space. So you kind of got that, allotted for when you put your boots in. And these are really, like, honestly, because they're Crocs, they're very comfortable. It may look weird, but it's for other people to hate. For anyone's wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of the Uniqlo cargo parachute pants. Don't know if they're available at the minute. Don't hold me to it, but do check the Uniqlo website. This is not a sponsored ad from Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some clothes your way for your boys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time guys, peace.